Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series on DBMS. In our last class, we discussed about relationship and relationship set. Today we are going to talk about degree of relationship. So now, degree of relationship means the number of entity sets associated in the relationship set. So over here, we can see that there are two entity sets, that is teacher and the student, and these two entity sets are associated with one another with this relationship set. So over here, we can say since there are two entity sets that are associated with one another, so it can be called as a binary relationship, and the degree of this relationship becomes 2. Likewise, if there are three entity sets that are associated with one another with one relationship set, then it can be called as a ternary relationship, and the degree of this relationship becomes 3. Now we need to understand that what is the possible minimum degree of a relationship and what is the maximum degree of the relationship. So in our last class, we said that when we have a relationship among the entity sets, now these entity sets can be different and can as well be same. The example that we took was the student entity set was related with the student entity set only. And what was in there, like over here it might be the case that we have class representatives. Now class representative manages the students of his own section. So in this way, we can say that one entity set is related to that entity set only, and so such kind of relationships are called as unary relationship, and over here the degree of relationship becomes 1. So we can say the minimum possible degree of a relationship can be 1. Now, this relationship can also be represented in this manner so that there are no confusions, that student entity set is related to the student entity set only, right? Now, what is the maximum possible degree of a relationship? So, we need to understand the maximum possible degree can be n. That is, there can be n number of entity sets that are associated with one another, although we need to understand that in practicality, when we create a database, binary relationships are mostly used, and beyond that the complexity is increased to a great extent, so we avoid that. But theoretically there are n possible, the maximum degree of the relationship can be n. That is, there can be n number of entity sets that are related to one another, and that will be called as a N-ary relationship. So that is all for today. Thank you.